surprise. Get your cameras ready, ladies and gentlemen. Avalon is accelerating to over 1,000 kilometers an hour with a high-speed pass.
We're lost our lives while defending freedom.
precision weapons engagement, and fully integrated avionics. They estimate to ensure our ability to continue to provide air dominance worldwide for the United States.
Landing. They're in combat spread. I'll be pitching up to re-enter the circuit.
And most recently, took the fight to ISIS in the Middle East.
For the United States and our allies.
tăng đâu nào so với số của
Keep your eyes right now for the final salute as the boys plug the burners and squat the jet one last time.
In from your left and cycles his weapon bay doors. Folks, if you ever wonder where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer.
You'll see the channels coming in now for a wheelbarrow pass to begin the display. Everyone, if you look closely, you can spot the loadmasters waving out the paratroop door just behind the wing. Hercules, operated by number 40 Squadron, which is based.
If you look closely, you'll be able to see the loadmasters waving out the back door just behind the wingtips.
And if you don't wave back, Sam won't get any pies as he flies home. Make sure you wave.
And 9 trials can cover a number of diverse roles, such as parachuting, airload dropping, low-level flying, and even search and rescue. Of course, the most rewarding part of flying all over the world is to support many New Zealand servicemen and women who...
And the Seahawk radio is equipped with a pipe. Anti-submarine torpedo.
Side of the turn. Now as they approach the crowd, they'll perform simultaneous Avalon rolls. Now slowly to the Vic formation roll. Get ready, going to roll.
Sky Aces, that was their last. Paul will snap it into the knife edge pass for one more try.
As Bob repositions himself down on the deck at over speeds over 350 kilometres an hour, he's just going to pitch away.